Hi, it's Eve here. Today I would like to share another knowledge, which is how to combine music and the video. Yeah. So this software is very simple and very friendly to use, which is the name of the software is Format Factory. I am sure you heard about Format Factory. Anyhow, to those who are really new in this field, like me, I'm not really savvy when it comes to video editings and video convertings. I just learned through this software, and it's really, I would say that it's really a big help. Okay, so if you don't have yet Format Factory in your computer, you have to download it now because you will learn a lot of things. Okay, and especially this is really good when it comes to conversion. So, and there's of a lot of of options that you can convert with, and it's really helpful on your business. Okay, so now I would like to begin how to combine the music and the video into one. Okay, so I'm here already in Format Factory. So if you want to see the icon of the Format Factory, okay, I can show you. So this is the icon of Format Factory. So I'm going to open it. Okay. Okay. Now this is the front page of Format Factory. Okay, so there were a lot of options. So there is the video, there is the audio, picture, documents. So since we are going to discuss about the video and the music, so we have to go here in the video option. So now I'm going to use this part MUX. Okay, I will click now. So after you click this MUX or MUX, there is two options. Okay, in this portion is a video stream, and then the second one is the audio streams. So meaning to say video streams, so you have to go here and add the file, the video file. Okay, so now I'm going to add the video file. Okay, I'm going to select a sample of a video in my file. Okay, try here. Okay, try this one. And now I already add the video file, so I'm going to add the music, so which is I have to go here at the audio stream. So I have to click this add file, and then I have to select a music. So I'm go here. Okay, I think I have to select this. Okay, okay. So as you see, you both already input the video and the music. So the next thing that you have to do is you have to click OK. That's how simple it is. And then after you click OK, you can see the start here. You just click it. Okay, now the conversions is begin. So that's how simple the Format Factory. Okay, so this is very fast, so please be patient to wait for a while. So I want to show you how Format Factory convert. Okay, now the conversion is completed. Okay, the next thing that you have to do is you have to go here, the output folder, to see the output of the conversion that you combine the video and the music. Okay, so let's see together. So this one, open. Okay, so this is how the format factory conversion of music and the video. And thank you guys for watching, and I hope you learned something from me, and please support my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Thank you so much. See you again on the next video.